wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. I done talked about this event enough in my last few videos. So if you guys want to see my haul of the Sephora savings event, then let's go. Literally, I have said everything about this event enough. So if you did not know that the event is going on, it actually starts today. I will put all the information that you need to know in the description down below. Shout out to Sephora for letting me shop some goodies that will be included in this video. And there was something else that I feel like I need to tell you guys. So I actually went to Sephora this morning because Sephora let me shop goodies ahead of time. I was able to get those in advance and, you know, made a little sneak peek because one of the items I really wanted to try it. It was the Sephora body cream, not from Fenty Skin, but the one that is supposed to go with the perfume that they launched. Now, if you guys know how I feel about the perfume, you're probably like, well, girl, why'd you do that? Because not that I don't care for the perfume, but it's definitely not one that I gravitate towards frequently. It's nice, you know. To me, nothing to write home about. So when I saw they were coming out with lotion, I was like, it's probably going to smell like the perfume, so I'm good on that. But then it came out and everyone was like, no, it doesn't smell like the perfume, so I went ahead and I got it. Y'all right, it does not smell like the perfume, okay? Because I can actually tolerate the perfume. Baby, I opened that thing, I said, oh, you gotta go back. And y'all know I don't even like returning things. Well, I exchanged it, but it had to go back, especially for $86, because baby, why did the thing smell like hair relaxer? It smelled like hair relaxer and someone squeezed an orange into it. And y'all talking about something now, it's much more fruitier than the... So I actually went to Sephora this morning and made an exchange. So you know what, that's enough talking, let's get into it. So the first thing I got is this commodity milk scent-based expressive for me and the many around me. I told you guys about this in the last video that I uploaded, that I was in Sephora, I smelled it and I said, wait a minute, hold on. I've seen it, I've seen people talking about it, but I didn't know what the hype was. Baby, believe the hype, okay? I think I might have said vanilla when I was explaining it. It's marshmallow. If you like Princess by Killian and Love Don't Be Shy, get this, okay? This is like their distant cousin. Very pretty packaging. Ooh, oh, this is what it looks like. Very sophisticated packaging. It just gives, ooh, actually I'll spray it on myself. But actually I wonder what this smells like if you mix it with Princess, because y'all know Princess be wearing off. Ooh, baby, absolutely. It's like cozy and comfy type of marshmallow gourmand type fragrance, but also like seductive, like come here type smell. So absolutely positively recommend this. Okay, let's do, I guess, non-makeup first. I did recommend the Honey in shower lotion type thing in my recommendations video. So I saw that Honey actually had a body a bar of soap, child. It is the Cocoon Cleanse Concentrated Serum Cleanser for the body. I was like, oh, wait a minute, hold on. They're in their like new to Sephora section. I haven't seen them in a lot of malls. I did see it at Mall of Georgia. I don't think I saw a section for them at Perimeter, but I could be wrong. Just, you know, go check if you want to see it in store. There's a little note on here that says the coloration might be off depending because of shipping and stuff like that. That's why I said if you want to go see it in store. But this is what the soap looks like. And because I got the soap, I also went ahead and got a little dish to hold the soap. So this is the Honey Pebble dish for the Cocoon Cleanse. It's a little bigger than I thought it would be, if I'm being completely honest. I'm like, where am I gonna put this in my shower? But this is what the dish looks like. Oh. This is what the dish looks like. Very cute, just aesthetically pleasing, and you know, just a holder for the soap, because I don't like putting the soap just on the shower or the soap holder in the shower. So I got this. You can see like the clay rubbing off on my fingers. I think it was like $10, which people are like $10 for a dish holder, but here we are. Okay, I have never heard of this brand. I probably can't even pronounce it. Shea Yamora Art of Hair. It is their Essence Absolue Nourishing Protective Hair Oil. It had great reviews, like the whole brand had great reviews on Sephora. I got the hair oil because once I take this wig off, I'm gonna wear my natural hair for a good little minute. I haven't really worn it out much this year, so I got this hair oil for, you know, my like wash and goes, twist outs and whatnot. This is what it looks like. I think this is like the second size that you can get. So I think there's one smaller and then one bigger than this one, but I got this one just to play it safe, you know, in case I don't like it, because it also is not a cheap brand. And if I do like it, like there's enough in it, right? So I got this one. Is there any scent to it? My battery's about to die. It smells like magazine. I'm not sure how to, but like, especially, you know, if you collect like 17 magazine back in the day, it smells like magazine. But I'm excited to try it. Okay, and then the last thing was one of those, like, you can just kind of throw it in with one of the little codes that they have on Sephora. It's a little mini candle. I feel like that's so cute. This is from Nest. It is their Madagascar Vanilla. So, let me see. Okay, cute. Interesting. I smell a little vanilla, but I feel like I would have to take deep whiffs to get the rest of the scent. This is one of those, maybe I have to light it first, but from what I'm smelling, I feel like this is one I would light in the living room. I'll let you guys know. Okay, so on to makeup. The first thing I got is from Freck Beauty. I've never tried them before, but Tasha and her recommendations usually don't miss for me. I think she took it to Turks, I think, and she was like, oh, this is really good. And y'all know, like, it's hot at Turks. Now I got oily skin, so if it works there, it should work here, especially since we're in the winter. It is their Rich, y'all see that? I ain't trying to get, you know, Protect and Prime Serum. So it is a primer. I'm excited to try this out. I saw some other things from the brand, so if this goes well, then I will definitely check out the rest of the brand. And then the next makeup products that I got, this is one that I went to Sephora this morning for the exchange of the Fenty lotion. It is from Gucci. It is their 24-hour wear breathable foundation, Luminous matte foundation. I did a lot of raving about the concealer, and y'all were like, baby, if you like that, wait until you try the foundation. Okay, so I got the foundation in the shade 430N. It looks like, this is what it looks like. Very pretty packaging, but I expect that because it's Gucci. It's not cheap. Baby, if I'm spending Gucci prices, I want the whole shebang, okay? Give me the works, make it aesthetically pleasing for a $69 foundation. Thank you. And then I got the, oh, it's upside down. LYS Skin Loyalty Blur Mattify Set Makeup Setting Spray. Someone in, I think it was the recommendations video, it was like, baby, if you like the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray, then you need to go ahead and check out the LYS. It's giving the same thing. And y'all know LYS, I think most of their products are somewhere around the $20 range, and y'all know Charlotte Tilbury is not. So if I can get the same thing, back on brand, less money, say less. This is what, ooh, this is what it looks like. It looks like the other packaging that they have for LYS, so they're consistent with it. I'm excited. It says natural finish. We'll see. I did restock. This is the REFYBrow Pencil in dark. This is probably one of the best, if not the best, brow pencils that I have ever tried. I keep repurchasing it. It's only 20 dual hairs. If you want really like hair stroke type brows, this right here, okay? Another reason why I can't wait to take off the wig so I can go back to my jet black hair. So yeah, had to go ahead restock on this one because it also does end pretty quickly because I use it so much. Okay, finally, I picked up the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Concealer. This has really good reviews on Sephora. I think it's like a 5-star-ish concealer. If not 5-star, then like 4.5 or something like that. In the shade 41 Medium Deep Neutral. I'm excited. This is the type of excitement I had for the Makeup by Mario, and we see how it went with that one. So I hope my excitement actually, you know, ends up better with this one, but I am excited to try it out. let's look at what the color looks like. Okay, that should, we'll see. We're gonna see. After the Gucci concealer, I have learned to, you know, not judge a book by its cover. Did I say what shade it was? I did. And the last thing I got, it is going to seem so random, but I really needed it. It is from NARS. It's their pencil sharpener. I keep going through like lip liners and eyeliner, stuff like that, and then realized like once it got down and I needed to sharpen it, I didn't have a sharpener. So I went on Sephora. Now, of course, you can get a cheaper sharpener. I think this was like $7 to $10, somewhere around there. But this is what it looks like. Ooh. This is what it looks like. I like how it's got the little holder for the products so you can dump it out when you need to, but just a really simple, you know, sharpener at Sephora. Ooh, go back in there. And yeah, y'all, that is it for at least this go around. I told the girl this morning, like, girl, I'll probably be back before the sale ends, because I'm gonna go watch other people's hauls and then be like, ooh, I need that, I want that. And then that is how I end up making more than one purchase. You see, I already went back to Sephora once. But that is it for my initial, you know, haul of what I got during the event. Of course, I will do a video testing out everything that I showed you guys so you can see what it looks like on the face. I can give you my thoughts on it. Let me know what you're picking up in the comments down below. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Like I said, all the information you need about the sale will be in the description down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.